It's blizzard season. Dairy Queen has launched the official summer blizzard menu, and it includes 2 exciting new flavors. One of the ice cream chain's new blizzards is infused with lots of chocolate and nostalgia. The Oreo Dirt Pie blizzard is made with Oreo cookie pieces, gummy worms and fudge crumble all blended in soft serve ice cream. The summertime treat takes inspiration from childhood playground shenanigans. Another new treat is the caramel fudge cheesecake blizzard. The ultra-creamy dessert consists of cheesecake pieces and fudge-covered salty caramel pieces all mixed with dreamy soft serve ice cream. Left, credit, Dairy Queen. Right, credit, Dairy Queen. The 6th Blizzard Summer Menu, which is available through the summer in participating restaurants, is also bringing back some fan-favorite blizzards, including the Girl Scout Thin Mints Blizzard, which consists of actual Thin Mint pieces blended with vanilla soft serve. Along with the mint chocolate treat, is the cotton candy, made with cotton candy flavored sprinkles, and the Very Cherry Chip, which features cherry and chocolate chunks mixed with vanilla soft serve. For those who prefer their blizzards with a nutty crunch, the Drumstick with Peanuts flavor blends chocolate-covered drumstick waffle cone pieces with chopped peanuts and soft serve.